The cryptospace has made considerable progress from being restricted to just crude cryptographic forms of money like Bitcoin and Ethereum. The space has been sufficiently liberal to have plenty of ventures from shifted areas with and without utility. Progressively, image coins from the business have gathered the interests of the majority. The top image coin Dogecoin is the first to off with regards to image coins. Sent off in the December of 2013, the computerized token has collected huge notoriety. With preferring from superstars, very rich person financial backers, and web-based entertainment savvies. The K9 coin has seen various selections and acknowledgments by eminent brands and firms. All things considered, financial backers are as yet excited about Doge, regardless of arising opponents like Shiba Inu, and have been contemplating over its future possibilities. Might it be said that you are enthused about the value expectations of Dogecoin? Participate as we jump into the conceivable value projections of the image coin for 2022 and the years to come. Doge value expectation for 2022. Dogecoin had advanced toward 2022, with an exchanging cost of $0.1701, proceeding with its toward the south force from the earlier year. The image coin saw a tumble to its help of $0.1365 on the 10th of January. In any case, it depicted a speedy angular bounce back, with the wick brushing $0.2147 on the 14th of January. The spike was fleeting, as Doge plunged beneath its help to the bottoms of $0.1208 on January 22, following which the resource moved sideways, adhering nearer to its help levels until the 3rd of February. At the point when it spiked to $0.1732 on the 7th of February. Notwithstanding, choppiness in the business prompted a downswing, when it penetrated the quarterly low of $0.107. Toward the finish of the quarter, Doge's cost had figured out how to move to $0.1459. The subsequent quarter has been severe for the business, the ramifications of which have thought about the cost of Doge. The K9 coin has slipped from its second quarter's high of $0.179 to squeezed high levels of $0.05865. Dogecoin value expectation for Q3. On the off chance that the image coin conveys forward the second from last quarter, with bullish patterns, further catalyst like significant acknowledgement and reception, could move the cost to its expected high of $0.08016. On a hopeful note, as per Into the Block, 2.04 M locations are in the cache, though 1.84 M locations are out of the cache. While the typical cost could stay close by $0.06794, bears could grip down the cost to $0.05513. Doge value expectation for Q4. Assuming the coin gets recorded on more current recognizable cryptographic money trades, the cost could take off to close the year at $0.10807. Howbeit, standard trading tensions would leave the cost at a typical degree of $0.09176. All things considered, assuming that the feelings succumb to the bears, with worries around utility and worth, the cost might perhaps rut to $0.07524. Dogecoin's value gauge for 2023. Dogecoin cost is supposed to build up some forward movement in 2023, as the image space would turn into merchants number one to battle potential expansion dangers. The chance is additionally legitimate, as the normal time token is held, is a surprising 1.8 years. Subsequently, toward the finish of 2023, the image coin would hit $0.19679. All things considered, a potential emergency in the business could dump the cost to $0.10185. Progressively, the typical cost could settle at $0.14553. Doge crypto value expectation for 2024. If the group behind Dogecoin roll out formative redesigns and genuine use cases, the K9 coin could admission-facing industry pioneers. In such a case, Doge's cost could jump to its expected high of $0.31911. On the other side, The ebbing position of image coins and lessening volumes could cut the value down to $0.17262. All things considered, an equilibrium in trading tensions could land the cost at $0.24294. Dogecoin value expectation for 2025. A rising FOMO with powerhouse advancements towards Dogecoin might influence the cost to warm up to $0.54534. Furthermore, on the off chance that Doge could get by with a significant development rate, in a profoundly serious space from now on, the midpoints will strike at $0.41789. Then again, if parts of the crypto like zero marking rewards and not much usefulness influence the market, then, at that point, the cost could slide to its possible low at around $0.28883. Dogecoin's cost could ascend to a limit of $0.0823 toward the finish of 2022. The firm anticipates that an inversion in pattern should drag the value down to $0.0716. All things considered, an equilibrium in trading tensions could land the cost of Doge at $0.0763. What is Dogecoin, Doge? Dogecoin is an easy-to-use digital currency project sent off on December 6, 2013. It was forked from Litecoin and is broadly upheld by numerous wallets and trades. The primary use case is for making installments, and as of late it has likewise been utilized as a tipping coin, for compensating little tokens to individuals during web-based entertainment communications. Dogecoins are inflationary coins while Bitcoins are deflationary coins. This is on the grounds that Bitcoins have a breaking point on the quantity of coins that will be created and utilized for mining. On the other side, Dogecoin has no such cut-off points as is inflationary, which adds for its potential benefit. Essential examination. Following the monstrous progress of Bitcoin, Dogecoin was sent off in the December of 2013. In a simple 1 month, there were more than 1 million guests to the authority site. What began with a cost of $0.006, and presently represents a return for capital invested of 15,235.76%. Dogecoin was made by Billy Marcus Oregon, and Jackson Palmer. It was presented as a joke, however who realized it would turn out to be so critical in the crypto world. It is likewise utilized by retailers to get installments across approved traders. Our Doge value expectation. The way that advertisers are very hopeful about the undertaking and big names bouncing legs, can drive Dogecoin into a worth that everybody would wonder at. Formed Dogecoin cost expectation for 2022. On the off chance that its